to another episode of Coffee and Conversations with the Briar Patch family. I'm Samantha.
And I'm Wade. And today we are going to discuss, is living in a tiny home really worth it? Well, we know firsthand.
After 1 year of living in our 600 square foot home, we're just going to let you guys know what we think.
So anyway, we downgraded from a little over 1,600 square foot house in the city to a 600 square foot home in the country. With that big change, neither one of us has had lived in a small house like that, at least square footage wise. Mm-hmm. And being here for a year, I will say that I prefer to continue to live in a house around the same square footage as we live now.
Yeah.
So yes, in our opinion, tiny home living is definitely worth it.
Yes.
If you can do it.
Yeah, if you definitely, I mean, it's got its challenges. I'm not going to say that it is like perfect. There's things that I've had that I loved my garage. I used to park my car in the garage. Didn't have to worry about heating up my car. Didn't have to worry about, wearing a rain jacket when I was just going to sit in the office all day.
Yep. And 2 bathrooms.
Yes.
Having an extra bathroom.
Having an extra bathroom is probably something we will upgrade to, even if it's a half bath when we move to Florida and we change from living here. I definitely would recommend having at least another half bath. The shower part's not that bad. We can get ready pretty easily even when McAllister is here. But just having an extra toilet,
it makes
too
the
much.
world.
TMI. Yes, it definitely makes a difference.
But some of the advantages of going tiny is there's less space that you have to clean.
Yes.
Even though we tend to clean a little bit more because we see it.
Yeah.
And plus we have a dog that sheds like crazy in the house.
I feel like I clean a lot more. Everybody's like, well, you don't have to clean as much. But I do, because I used to could hide my dishes in my dishwasher. We don't have a dishwasher. We do have a giant big sink that they could be hidden in just, for day to day. Like, there's always going to be a fork or like one plate that may be dirty. You can't help that if you're here all day. But for the most part, we're just continuously just washing the dishes or sweeping the floor, because Rumi does shed a good bit, and we're in the country, so he likes to get leaves dirty and stuff on him. So it's not, but I mean, I wouldn't trade that part, because my house is always clean, and I can clean it within a couple of hours. Even deep cleaning the whole house, I can pretty much get that all done pretty quickly.
Yeah. Another advantage of being in this tiny house is that you spend a little bit more time together.
Yeah.
So if you get along with whoever you're living with, then that's a plus. If you don't, maybe this is not the right thing for you to do. Or if you live alone, if you live alone, in my opinion, this would be perfect.
Yes.
Now, some disadvantages of going tiny. One, you hear every noise that's being made.
Yeah.
So our living room is here. Our kitchen is
there.
Here. So
our bathroom is there, and our bedrooms are right there.
Yeah,
and
so
right there.
If you're trying to concentrate on watching a movie or something, and there's some cooking or dishes are being washed, sometimes it can become
frustrating. But honestly, normally I'm in the kitchen doing my thing. If I don't want to watch what Wade's watching while I'm cleaning or cooking, I'll put my wireless headphones in, and we're pretty set. You're going to step on each other's toes here and there, but it's definitely not the biggest thing.
And another disadvantage of going tiny, now some people may say this is an advantage, and in some cases it is we don't have the room to host any type of parties.
Yes.
Family parties, get-togethers, things like that. Now we do have a nice big backyard that's not completed yet, but once we do, during the warmer months, then we can have people over.
Still can't have too many, because we only have one bathroom, and I am a stickler. I like everything neat and tidy, so getting traffic through, I'm just not a huge
Stay
fan
outside.
Yeah, stay
outside. You
outside.
Use the bathroom. Go to the outhouse. It's back behind the fence. Yeah.
Now, one advantage is, and we haven't really talked about it on our channel, is we are going debt free. We are almost there, and having this small home will put us in that position very soon. No mortgage, no debt. So that's one advantage for us, and I think that would be a huge reason for a lot of people to do small living tiny house. So that is one advantage that we will have soon.
Yep. So when it comes down to it, like I said at the beginning, tiny house living is a plus for me.
It's definitely for us.
So with that being said, please guys, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you think you could ever live in a 600 square foot house or smaller.
Yes. Or
if you already do, or if there's no way in hell that you're going to do that. So,
yes, let us know. We want to know all of your thoughts.
but thanks guys. Peace.